there, fellow wanderlusters! Welcome to another episode of Travel Tips and Tricks. Ever find yourself wrestling with an overstuffed suitcase, only to realize you wore half of it? It's a common dilemma, but one that can be easily avoided. Fear not! Today, I'm here to share the ultimate guide to packing light in a carry-on. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll be a packing pro. Go for something lightweight with lots of compartments. These compartments will help you stay organized and make it easier to find things on the go. Trust me, your back will thank you later. A good carry-on can make all the difference in your travel experience. Now let's talk clothes. The key is versatility. You want to pack items that can be used in multiple outfits. A pair of jeans, 2 tops, and a dress can create multiple outfits. Add a few accessories and you're good to go. And don't forget a lightweight jacket. Layers, people. They are essential for adapting to different weather conditions. Next up, the 3-1-1 rule for toiletries. That's 3 ounces, 1 quart-size bag, 1 passenger. Stick to this rule to avoid any hassles at security checkpoints. Shampoo bars and solid lotions are game changers here. They save space and reduce the risk of spills. Shoes, oh, the bane of every traveler's existence. Limit yourself to 2 pairs, 1 comfortable pair for walking and 1 for evening. Wear the heavier pair on the plane. This saves space in your carry-on and keeps your feet comfortable during the flight. Now, roll don't fold. Rolling your clothes saves so much space and helps avoid wrinkles. Packing cubes. These little miracles keep you organized and make the most of your space. Don't forget the tech. Keep chargers, headphones, and gadgets in a small pouch. A portable charger is a must. Leave some space for souvenirs. You'll want to bring back memories from your trip. And finally, make a checklist. Write down everything you need and check it off as you go. All right, Travel Tribe, there you have it. Your ultimate guide to packing light in a carry-on. Remember, less is more. Happy travels, and may your adventures be as light as your luggage. Enjoy every moment and make the most of your trip. Catch you on the flip side. Safe travels, everyone. To recap, choose a lightweight carry-on with compartments. Pack versatile clothing. Follow the 3-1-1 rule for toiletries. Limit your shoes. Roll your clothes. Use packing cubes. And leave space for souvenirs. And always check with your airline to confirm allowable carry-on size. Get out that measuring tape and scale. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy travels.